like. Everybody's out, water guns, splashing each other. Everywhere you go in Chiang Mai during Songkran, you're gonna get your face painted, and nobody is immune to that. Hi, girls. Nobody's a stranger here. Everybody acts like they know each other by spraying water or paint your face. Here in Chiang Mai, they have a Thai New Year's called Songkran. Basically, hey, there you go. See, what they do is they spray you with water, and that signifies cleansing of the old year into the new year. They'll typically give you a plastic cover to make sure that your phone does not get wet. This is part of the Songkran New Year's. That's what it looks like here in downtown Chiang Mai area. Everybody's driving by and they're trying to splash people. Guys, this is what a Songkran looks like. Everybody's out, water guns, splashing each other. This is day 2 of Songkran here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today is a lot busier. There's more things set up. Everywhere you go in Chiang Mai during Songkran, you're gonna get your face painted, and nobody is immune to that. If you look on a map of Chiang Mai, it's a big square surrounded by the river here, And they have various stations over there where they fill up the water with buckets. And some of them actually put ice in it, so it makes it extra cold for you. Say hi, girls. Just got painted again my face. Even though it's like 7 o'clock here almost, people are in. It's about to rain from now. She's trying to splash me. From now till midnight it's supposed to rain. People are still out and celebrating. And nobody's a stranger here. Everybody acts like they know each other by spraying water or paint your face.